Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Finally got my hands on one of these beauties. Y'all know y'all ladies like to snatch when new wigs come out. Stay tuned. Hey, it's time to slay. Finally got my hands on one of these units. I decided to add some more hair to it, so that's what you see. I added a couple of tracks of 613 because it was giving a little skimp, it was giving a little skimp straight out the box. So that's what you see me do. I also ended up plucking a little bit along the right along the lace's edge in order to give it more of that natural hairline look. I am not a pluck master, but I am, trying to do it more often because, practice makes perfect, right? So, that's what you see me do, just to kind of take, a little more hair off the immediate edge and give it more of that natural look. And you kind of can see all the tracks that I really added to the back of this unit, now that I have it parted. Believe it or not, I had to curl this wig right out the box, because as you can see, this lovely picture of the lady on the stock card, it wasn't giving that out the box, y'all. It really wasn't. So I had to go back in and add some curls to it. Just a few curls. I didn't even it took me no time to curl it, but I didn't even curl it all the way up the hair. I just curled the ends and stuff, because I wanted it to be really, really close to the style that you see on the stock card. So I removed the lace. I didn't cut too close to the lace's edge like I normally do, because I really wanted to give this bare look a chance. I really wanted to do that. So it came out beautiful, and voila, I'm on camera, with my wig cap on, about to show y'all the whole process, because I was like, you know what, I want to show the way that I styled it and applied it from start to finish. So I just put it on, I positioned it where I wanted it to go, combed it out. Of course, it probably had a few little kinks in there, because I want to say this was my first time combing it out since styling it. So I didn't do the whole tacky wait, to your first line of glue or got to be gel gets tacky. I just went ahead and applied it to the lace's edge. I took about a downsized amount of glue and I just put it along the lace's edge and just, tied it up, as you see with my mutilated do-rag right there. And I waited 10 minutes. Now everything's sped up, so you don't have to wait the 10 minutes that I had to in order to, come back and take it off. But I didn't know what to, expect when I first tied it up. But girl, when I took that band off, I was like, oh my God, it looked good. It really looks really seamless. It really did. But of course, I decided to add my powder to it. I made sure I didn't do any type of baby hair, because I wanted y'all to see how flawless this bare lace is. I applied my foundation in a number 330 to the part, and voila, she came out so beautiful. It's given, this is my hair. I can part this hair. I can, do what I want. Yeah. Hey JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and I'm back to, you already know, show you ladies a really cute wig. Okay, so what's the name of this wig? Y'all probably already know because I showed the box. I have this picture and all the goodness on the tutorial. This is Bare Lace Unit 7. I finally got my hands on one of these beauties, okay? And I decided to try something different. And you know what that is? No baby hair, I know. So what color do I have this Unit 7 in? I have it in the Secret Highlight Honey, okay? And it comes in all these really pretty colors on the back. And they're doing this secret highlight with, it's not too secret because you can just see it right here. So I guess it's a secret because mostly the wig is black up here at the bottom, and then you get this splash of blonde in it. But girl, if y'all watch the tutorial, then y'all know I added some 613 tracks to this wig, okay? So she is a 13 by 6, and she's, you know, supposed to have like that meltable bare lace look to match any skin tone. And yeah, it got like a little cute little fold out story time kind of setup, but we're not about to go into all that because y'all should know that this is Sensational's best available lace fronts series of wigs. Okay, so they are a bit pricey. Yes, they are a bit pricey. So anywho, I styled this on camera, so y'all already know that this is my first time putting it on since actually styling it on my wig head and adding tracks to it. So I can only give you ladies my initial impression for this Unit 7 bare lace wig. I can't really go into how she holds up as you wear her because y'all know this is like, I just put it on, okay? Let's get into the 360 so you can see how it looks in the 360 view. Okay, ladies, now that we're back for the 360 for this Unit 7, we gonna get straight into it, okay? I'm not gonna keep y'all here long at all. Girl, bare lace has perfect hairline beats, okay? So, yeah, even though I haven't tried Outrie's air tie lace yet, your girl buys all of her wigs. I don't get nothing sent for free. I just haven't been feeling like spending the money on that just yet. This is actually my mom's wig that I added tracks to. She allowed me to do this initial impression so y'all could, like, you know, check it out, and I could, you know, show y'all how Miss Unit 7 is looking. I'm not gonna rant and rave too much because I can only give y'all what my initial impressions are. Like I said, I love it. The texture just feels like really nice, smooth, like Brazilian hair, but you still kind of have like a little bit of slight yucky feel to it, to where it still feels like really natural. Even though I passed the hot comb a lot through the roots, so it kind of got rid of that kind of natural, even more natural look, but it still looks great. This is how the hairline comes, but you know, your girl tweaked it. I'll show you that closer in the close-up. I think that if you want to have an alternative to you know, real hair, and you want to get as close to it as you possibly can, well, then bare lace series of wigs is your girls, okay? I haven't tried all of them. I have a review coming up pretty soon for, I think, Unit 3, the first initial one that like really like made people go crazy. I did get some snags. I did get a little bit of tangling. You ladies did see me comb it out as I was waiting for the lace to dry. The tangling isn't that bad, and sometimes you do get these wigs that are like a tangle fest straight out the box, but I didn't really get too many snags with her. Like, I really love the way that my brush is just gliding through this wig, okay? As far as the shedding, I did get a little bit of shedding, but that's to be expected because, girl, like y'all already know, in per my tutorial, I added hair to this wig, so it could be a little bit of shedding from the 613 tracks that I added to this wig. Do I have anything besides loving this wig that I have to say about it? Yes. All right, y'all seen that I not only added hair to this wig, I also curled it too, because it's this really pretty blown out rolled look that you see on the stock card, but it really don't come like that. It didn't really look this pretty and like feathery until I added the curls back to the whole wig. I curled. I really just came and just bit the ends and stuff just so the tracks that I added can blend better with the curl of this wig, and it didn't come as curly as the picture on the style card. So I definitely had to curl this wig and add those curls back. The bangs were doing this, like in all the lip gloss and stuff. So I definitely had to, you know, curl the bangs to bend them back so they don't fall in your face as frequently as they initially did when I first tried this unit on. So I definitely had to do that, and I definitely didn't like the fact that if it wasn't for me adding hair to it, because it was a little skimp and it wasn't as cohesive when it came to the blend of the color of the honey streaks cohesively blending with the black, you know, of this unit. So it just needed some frost to kind of carry it all the way down to the ends. Okay, so hopefully I was able to show you ladies that more in the 360, but the more I play with this wig, the more you can actually see the few tracks that I did add to bring attention to the secret highlights, because it don't need to be a secret. It needs to be yelling, like it needs to be bold and visible. Okay ladies, let's get into your favorite part of every one of my videos, and that's the close-up. Now that we're back for the close-up, I just wanted to quickly show you how this wig looks close up, and that I did do a little bit plucking off camera. I don't think I had that in the tutorial really to really show. I'm pretty sure y'all can like look up videos on here of how to pluck your units, but if you ladies are interested in how I do it, let me know and I'll, you know, like consider doing a video. I don't have a go-to method. I kind of just, you know, felt like this unit just needed a little more plucking to it in order to really bring out that like natural look that you get with this wig. Okay, so what you get is this, but it needed this because this actually looks like a hairline. Like it looks like my hairline underneath this wig. Okay, so that's optional ladies, because how it really does come out the box, you don't need to you don't even need to do that. I just did it because I just felt like it needed to be done. But if you are not skilled in the art of plucking, I suggest that you wear it the way she comes. That's good too. And so I'm gonna just show you ladies close up how the hair blends and looks all the way to the end, because I did add those tracks, and I actually love the way it looks now that I added the tracks to it. It just looks like the color is more cohesive and it blends better with the black. So I'll show you the tracks on this side and just how it looks close up. Oh, I love it. I love it. I hate to give it back, but I got to. So last but not least, before I get out your lady's face, do know that it is curb rud. It is a little curb rud. That's because I yanked off my band. I didn't really wait for it to really set like it could have, because I just want to get this review out the way so I can have it up for you ladies and y'all can see just how beautiful this unit is. So I'm gonna go from this side, and girl, that's where my real hair at. Like I said, it probably would blend better on the sideburns if I did the ball cap method, but I don't really feel like that's necessary for synthetic wigs. But for the first time ever in the JuicyNashae history, I would do and recommend the ball cap method for this wig. I think this wig is worth it, ladies, because you want it to cohesively blend with your cap underneath. And I think how pretty the hair texture is, I think you can look forward to it lasting a lot longer than your standard issue, you know, synthetic wig. So I would recommend the ball cap method for this unit. So let's get from this side all the way to this side. I think that's it, ladies, for the close-up. Close-up over. Let me get out your face, ladies. Last but not least, I am still gonna rate this wig. So what do I rate? Barely shooting a 7. I rated a 9.8. Woo, yay! Okay. The only reason why I didn't rate it a full 10 and 9.8 is the first on this channel is because I did feel the need to have to add tracks, pluck the hairline a little bit more to really bring out the true beauty of this unit. although adding tracks to this unit and plucking it a little further is optional. You ladies don't have to do what I did. I think I felt like it just was gonna look better if I did that, and I'm glad I went with adding tracks and plucking it, because it really brings out the flawless look of this wig. Alright ladies, with that, I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. Thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and review for Sensational Barrelation Unit 7. Don't forget to like and share, and also follow your girl on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye!